What's the meaning of burning? Burning. Burning.
Burning. Burning. The term burning generally refers to the process of setting something on fire, typically with the intention of reducing it to ash or causing it to become damaged or destroyed by flame or heat. The result of burning can vary depending on the context and object being burned, but it often involves the release of smoke, light, and heat energy, as well as the destruction or alteration of the original object's physical properties. In some cases, burning can also release toxic fumes or cause environmental damage, making it important to take proper precautions when engaging in this activity.